This ocean-inspired spread tastes surprisingly like tuna. No fish involved. It's wonderful as a dip, on bread, or as a filling. Our base is chickpeas. You can use canned, but I like cooking my own. Just soak half a cup of dried ones for about 8 hours. Then boil until tender. That gives you the 1.5 cups needed for the recipe. Combine it in a food processor with 2 broken nori sheets. They contribute to that sea flavor. Then 4 tablespoons of toasted sunflower seeds, creamy and full of vitamin E. From spices, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, just a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder. It brightens everything up. Then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and soy sauce. Begin blending, scraping down the sides as you go. Gradually add aquafaba or water 1 spoon at a time until you reach your preferred texture, slightly crumbly or smooth. Move it to a container and keep it in the fridge for at least a few hours to let the flavors meld. I like it on a bread with some spring onions and tomatoes. You can also spread it over a flatbread and add the toppings of your choice. Bon appétit!